Hey guys, just wanted to show you real quick what I'm working on right now. I switched it up. I wanted to take a break from the Bond covers and show you what I'm doing here. I have watercolor pencils that I got for Christmas, thanks to my brother here. Yeah, so there they are. And a special shout out to Sunshine Arts. They have a special assignment on there for beginners with watercolor pencils. I've used watercolor pencils before, or I've used colored pencils before, but not watercolor. So what it's going to be like a skyline with a telephone pole and some stars in the background using some white paint. So after you do the colored pencils, masked off the sides like they say to do, I'm going to wet this paintbrush and it should kind of spread out like watercolors. And I'm going to mix it all up, and then I'm going to put a telephone pole as a contrast there just to get used to doing watercolor pencils. I'm going to see how it goes. Hopefully I'll do some more videos of this in the future. Probably some cartooning, coloring, maybe a little bit of my Rage character, colorizing him, and just wanted to give you some ideas that, again, this channel is going to be a little bit more sometimes than about just sketching. I'll try to incorporate some of actual other medias, other types of art into it as well. But the same concept can kind of apply. 10 seconds, put the tape down. Another 10 seconds, do one layer, and so on and so forth. A little bit of color right now during the winter. It's good for the soul. It's going to help cheer you up a bit. All right, guys. Keep drawing. 10 seconds a day.